So we are heading out on a little bonus fishing trip. We were out yesterday, had a great day. My husband, ice watering, forgot his jacket somewhere, probably at the boat launch. Lucky for us, we never unloaded anything, so we're just hopping in the truck and going to catch some walleyes and search for a jacket. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah? Are you gonna catch fish?
Yeah.
And are you gonna find your jacket?
I sure hope so. I got like all kinds of stuff in the pockets. I got spare lines and tools and all that stuff.
It's about a 2.5 hour drive, so probably cheaper to just buy the jacket, but you know, life works out in weird ways and we're just gonna roll with it. We're almost to the lake, still no jacket, but we're not giving up hope yet.
And can you believe we are March 5th?
Mm-hmm.
And we're driving down a bush road that hasn't been plowed all winter.
Mm-hmm.
Which is mind-blowing.
Yeah, we're in deep. I'll show you again. Those are our tracks from last night. A few more kilometers to go. I feel hopeful that we'll find the jacket. It's gonna be a good day. Look what we found.
Hey, look, that's my jacket.
What a place to leave it. Nice and wet. I guess he was just confirming that it was his jacket.
Well, I was banking on that we had to find it because the Allen key for the auger is in my jacket.
Oh God. So if it wasn't here, we wouldn't be able to fish?
Yeah, we would. We'd have our holes from yesterday.
Oh, true.
And not only that, but I wouldn't be able to get it like crazy tight.
Oh, okay. Hand tight.
Hand tight.
Looking good, Chase.
I'm back.
I'm sure glad you didn't lose that jacket.
Oh, me neither.
So we're at the lake. We got our holes drilled. We're gonna set up our 2 lines each. For total, we're fishing with basically jig and a minnow. For me, Chase is gonna do a dead stick and a minnow and then probably jig one of his rods himself with some sort of rattle bait or whatever. It's now 12:30. It's a beautiful day. Sun is out and the wind is down. So let's get at it. We got our line set. We're gonna start making some lunch. Today we brought some of our dehydrated meals. We were in such a scramble to leave the house, we haven't eaten yet, but these are from the fall when we went on our Colorado elk hunt. So we got creamy chicken wild rice soup. Hopefully they're still good. I presume they are. All you gotta do is boil water and then you let them sit for about 15 minutes in this food cozy. We have recipes for both these on the channel if you want to check them out. The wind is picking up a little bit, but it's not too bad, not like yesterday.
Yet.
Still no fish, but the water is ready. Took a while in this wind. But now I'm going to pour it in this bag. Hopefully there's no holes from it being bumped around in our bags. Hopefully I don't burn my fingers. Are you coming to help me? Are you coming to help me? Yeah. Oh. Alright.
I don't trust you to boil in hot water.
Yeah, right. Okay. Any holes?
Okay.
Powder's all settled. Okay. Gonna let the heat out. Oh, wait, is it dripping? It might be.
Yep.
Alright. We have spare bags. For this reason. Now, does that bag have a hole? I don't think this one has a hole. Okay, put that in here. Alright, alright, alright. That one's gonna be soupy. This one's gonna be more stew-like. Just like so. Now we wait 15 minutes. And hopefully they stay warm enough in the cold. I don't think we've ever made them outside in the winter.
No.
But I'm sure this cozy will hold up.
Stick it in your jacket.
I guess I could do that. Smart idea.
Not just a pretty face.
Uh-huh. And from the guy that lost his jacket.
Yeah, you're right.
Our first flag down. So icy. I literally took one bite of my lunch and then Chase ran. We'll see if he gets one. The best sludge you ever did eat, eh?
Huh?
I said the best sludge you ever did eat. Doesn't look appetizing, but how does it taste?
Tastes good.
Yours looks like a stew. Yeah.
Good. It's warm.
Yeah, it's nice to have a warm meal. But he didn't land that fish. There was nothing there by the time he got there.
Swing and a miss.
And we got our second flag down. Nice.
Oh, I just lost it.
No! Oh. I'm relocating my two rods and we were cruising just over this way a little more. Just as we were cruising by, he noticed his flag was heading down. But it was a miss. Holy shit. Attempt number 3. Did you get it?
Lost it.
Attempt number 4. We're hooked up. Here we go, here we go. Yes. Fish on the ice.
Finally on the board. Got a nice little walleye.
We've been here for 2 hours already, so at least it wasn't a complete waste of a drive.
Yeah.
We get one fillet each. So unfortunately, the bite has been slow and we cannot spend any more time out here. It's time to go home. We do have a couple extra walleyes in the fridge, so we are gonna make bacon wrap walleyes. So we'll see ya back at home. So we are home and we are about to start making our bacon wrap walleyes. So we're preheating the oven. We got our bacon. We bake our bacon, so we're gonna put it on this tray and pop it in the oven till it's about 50% of the way cooked. Let's shed some light on this situation.
Ooh, nice.
So I ended up cutting the bacon in half. I'm gonna pop that in right now. Chase is just prepping the walleyes.
So what I do is I take my fillets, big jumbo.
That's one of the dandies, eh?
The end of the split where the Y bone is, cut it there. That chunk stays. This is my favorite part to do the wrap on. So I just pile that up, and then belly meat, which is nice. If you run out of bacon, you could just throw it in the bacon grease and fry it.
Let's shine some light on you as well here. Looking a little dark.
So backstrap is my favorite
To wrap in
To
bacon. Yeah, those ones are gonna be like scallops.
Yeah, they're big.
Sweet. So Chase cubed these up. Now we're just gonna season them. This has been our choice of spice for the season. Good stuff. Bacon's almost ready, and then we're gonna start rolling them. All right, so the bacon's done. We're gonna start rolling these. This big, nice, thick piece. So they shriveled up a little bit, but try your best. And we just skewer them and put them back on the tray.
We got potatoes boiling here.
Yeah. So repeat, do all of them.
One more.
Yeah. It's still hot. Hot, 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 hot. All right. Look at that.
Amazing.
What we learned from Sal. Chase is feeling a little spicy today. He's just drizzling a little bit of Frank's Red hot sauce on the fish. And then we're gonna top it with some barbecue sauce. This one's pretty good. No sugar added. It's kind of smoky. It's not too sweet, so we like it. It's pretty aggressively boiling. That's probably all you could hear.
Bubble, bubble, bubble.
Oh, and we got steam. I'm gonna go on this side. How do they look, Chase?
Good.
So we're just gonna finish topping this with barbecue sauce and pop them back in the oven. How long do we usually put them in the oven for?
20 minutes.
You heard the man. 20 minutes.
Any fish you cook in the oven, you cook for 20 minutes.
If you have a big enough air fryer, we have done them in our small air fryer before and they turn out amazing. Even better than the oven. But our air fryer is a small one, so.
Amazing.
Amazing. We are just gonna finish them off in the oven. Well, let's go.
Go time.
Holy.
Da-da-da-da.
Oh, look at that. They look awesome. So we're just gonna let those cool for a sec.
Turn that down. Oh.
It's time to chow down. How was it?
That was good.
Excellent. Good stuff.
Excellent, good.
Okay,
That
so
was really good, actually.
actually, were you shocked?
No, because I usually don't have it with barbecue sauce.
And
And
hot
hot
sauce.
sauce.
Yeah, it's a nice change for us, a different touch. So, this is gonna conclude this video. I know the fishing wasn't all that great, but we made a delicious meal for you. So what you're gonna do?
Oh, that great. Cut our limits.
We caught one fish.
Oh, that's this video. I'm sorry.
Come on, Chase. Get with the program.
Fishing was amazing.
Yeah. But what you gotta do next is
Bacon wrap some walleyes.
that's right.
Thanks again for watching. If you haven't already, subscribe to follow along for more outdoor content. Thanks, guys. See you soon.